Quick install video and review today. Going to be putting the crossbars on the OEM Toyota Sienna. This is a 25 Sienna, and I bought the OEM crossbars directly from Toyota. Should be a pretty simple and easy install. The nice thing is, here are the racks right there. They've got them all labeled, so you know exactly where to put them. Each side has 2 bolts, and so this should be a pretty quick install. Taking a quick look here at what I'm seeing. So you've got these plastic covers that came installed in your crossbars, and then, in your rails, and then that's where our metal Torx screws are going to go. So you've got 2 on each side. Pull this one out. All right, and then the crossbars are labeled. It says front left, so that's our driver's side front, front right. So we're going to line these guys up, and then we just have to put our metal Torx screws in, and we should be good. Now, so let me go ahead and start working on that. So one thought here is to go ahead and hand thread these first before you use a tool, and they actually give you a little Torx tool that you can tighten these down. All right, so we got it all installed. Now the good news is, if you ever want to take it off, it should be just as easy. You've got 2 bolts per side, and then you may want to hang on to your plastic caps. So I just threw them back in the bag. Hang on to those plastic caps. If you ever want to take these crossbars off, then you just put those plastic caps back in. A couple interesting thoughts on this roof rack. One, it looks really nice because it doesn't hang off the side. I think that's good. You've got a good bit of distance from the top of your roof. For me, we've got some kayak racks, and then also we've got a luggage rack that we use. So we can take a look at how does it look from the front. I think it looks pretty good. Obviously, being the factory OEM option, it did turn out pretty good. A couple thoughts on that roof rack. The install is very easy, but the listed weight maximum is 75 pounds per cross rail. So that's a total of 150 if you evenly distribute it. So this is not necessarily a heavy duty rack, but for us, a couple kayaks or my Thule roof rack cargo carrier should be good up there, but just not a place for super heavy stuff. Well, if you've got questions about the Toyota Sienna, you can check out my entire review that I did. Subscribe if this was helpful. And this is Jason for Poodle Dad. I'll catch you in the next one. And look who we found over here.
You put the poodle in Poodle Dad.